First of all, duplicate the layer. Go to Image menu, in Adjustments, click Shadows and Highlights. Then, adjust the shadows. Duplicate the layer. Go to Filter menu, in Others, click High Pass. Change blending mode to Overlay. Select duplicate layers, and merge the layers. Go to Filters menu, and, in Sharpen, click Smart Sharpen. Adjust the amount. Go to Filters menu, in Stylize, click Diffuse. Select Anisotropic mode. Go to Image menu, and, in Image Rotation, click 90° clockwise. Go to Filter menu, and, click Diffuse. Again, go to Image menu, and click 90° clockwise. Then, repeat the process. Now, go to Filter menu, and, in Noise, click Reduce Noise. Go to Filter menu, and, in Sharpen, click Unsharp Mask. Duplicate the layer. Go to Filter menu, and, in Others, click High Pass. Change blending mode to Overlay. Select duplicate layers, and merge the layers. Create a new layer. In Tools menu, go to Color Picker, and select Foreground Color. Brush with random colors. Change blending mode to overlay. In Layers menu, click Merge Down. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to support my work. Thanks for watching.